What up, clock keepers? It's hour 25, the time you need but don't have. Thanks again for joining us. It's episode 20. It was deleted in a big update show. If you're new here, my name is Nick. I'll be your host. And remember,
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication.
and reminder, the Time Trotter and Sweet Feet giveaway ends soon. You have 4 days. The link will be in the box. Hope everybody had a good Father's Day. You know the deal. Somebody, drop a clock on 'em. All right. Feel free to sit back and relax and enjoy the following updates. And before we get into it, just a quick pitch to you. Please share this video with one person you know. What you see is what you get with Hour 25, and we're as real as they come. We're interested in the truth you deserve but don't have, and so we got your backs. Let's get into it. Things to watch in Bitcoin this week. The main focus in the US will be Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve. He will be talking tomorrow, Tuesday. This will be a follow-up to what he said last week. This time it will be in front of the Senate. Bitcoin, the charts, the cup has turned. Independent analyst Keith Waring spotted the so-called inverse cup and handle. This structure points to an extended downside price correction ahead in the Bitcoin market. In detail, the pattern develops when an asset forms a large crescent shape as it rallies higher and corrects lower, followed by a less extreme upward rebound. And when you flip that over, inversely, it would look like a cup with a little handle. Based on the chart provided by Waring, Bitcoin's recent price action, ranging from its pump to nearly 65,000, followed by a dump to 30,000 and a retracement to 40,000, almost checks all the boxes that confirm the presence of an inverse cup and handle pattern. That's going on as banks fall in line with China's crackdown that recently happened. We did hear about this a little while back, but information has developed in the situation. So there was a meeting that took place, and at this meeting was Ag Bank, the agricultural bank, the world's third largest bank by assets. Also at this was the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, the Construction Bank of China, the Postal Savings Bank of China, and the Industrial Bank, alongside mobile payment apps like Alipay. Over the weekend, what happened was the Agricultural Bank of China released a statement saying any customers dealing with crypto will have their accounts closed. Within minutes of this happening, the price dropped about $1,000. So it was very effective, that announcement. And what no one's talking about, and as alluded to in the thumbnail, 15 minutes later, that announcement was deleted. And as at Tier 10K points out, 2021 getting rugged by the third largest bank in the world. Now, not all think it's bad news for Bitcoin, as popular Twitter analyst Root at The Rational Root highlighted this past weekend. On-chain indicators are flashing oversold rather than bearish despite current external pressures. In other news, MicroStrategy buys 13,000 more Bitcoin. They now hold 105,000 Bitcoin. At $32,000, that's about $3.36 billion they hold in Bitcoin. Central Bank of Portugal awards their first licenses to local crypto exchanges. Dogecoin. The Dogecar branded car crashed this past weekend on Saturday in a NASCAR race, causing a temporary price dump. Grayscale investments consider new crypto trusts, including Polygon and Solana. And if you're not familiar with Grayscale, they are the digital currency assets manager. Also, Mark Cuban loses big on Titan. Mark Cuban invested in a DeFi project called Iron Finance, and they recently encountered a historical bank run where their partially collateralized stablecoin, Iron, moved off peg and plummeted the price of their share token, Titan. And that's going to do it for this show. We just wanted to come at you quickly and give you some updates on what's going on. If you made it this far, thank you very much. If there's something you want to see, please drop it in the comments below. We'd be happy to do a deep dive on any topic you wanted. And, we'd learn probably just as much in the process. They're going to keep coming. Keep watching. Thank you very much. And we'll see you on the other side. Thanks again.